Good morning, fans all over the world. Magandang araw, tanghali at gabi. We are again here live at the Philippine Sports Commission's conference hall inside the Rizal Memorial Stadium for another two-part session of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. I'm Randy Galwag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association, and we welcome you to our discussion for today. We are being aired on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2, 918 kHz AM band. And of course, we are being broadcasted to our live streaming, and that's Philippine Sports Writers Association FB page. Hope that you are with us. Judy Kalingal po.
And partner, bago mo ipakilala ang ating isang fast-growing sport dito sa Pilipinas and all over the world. Nais kong pasalamatan in behalf of PSA President Nelson Delfano ng Philippine Star, ang ating mga supporters, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Milo Philippines, PLDT Smart, and Arena Plus.
And yes, we are going to discuss about the fast-growing sport of floorball. We are silver medalists in this sport at the Southeast Asian Games, and we are hosting one big event. This is the Asia Oceania World Championship Qualifier, which will be happening next week. So we are having our Philippine Floorball President, no other than Ralph Ramos. We have also the national team coach, si Coach Noel Johansson, and we have the team captain of the Philippine Floorball national team, no other than si Lucas Perez Oybal. Welcome to the PSA Forum. Hello, yes, good morning, Ralph.
Good morning, Ms. Judy, Sir Randy. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, sa ating mga viewers, of course, to our media friends of the Philippine Sports Writers Association. Maraming salamat po for having us again after 5 years. I think the last time we were here. No? But this time we are glad to be back and here to invite everyone to come and support our men's Philippine national floorball team as they compete for the men's World Floorball Championship qualifiers para sa Asia Oceania region. And this is special because we are again hosting this event on May 21 to 25 next week na to, Tuesday, at the Phil Sports Arena, Pasig City.
Yeah. Press, no? The last time we were together, no, in a forum like this, binubuo mo yung team, no? You are introducing the sport. Now, can you please remind us, ano ba itong floorball and what is this coming event? Now we are hosting an international event na. So please.
Yeah, so with floorball, as you know, ito yung sport na similar to hockey. Pero maganda dito sa sport ng floorball, hindi nyo kailangan, you don't need ice or skates to play this. So you see, like hockey, you use a floorball stick, so made up of carbon fiber material, okay, na stick. And then instead that you use a puck, you use the ball. So it's lightweight, and as you watch the game or as you play the game, it's fast-paced, exciting, and you play it 5 players plus 1 goalkeeper on each side. So it's a growing sport here in the Philippines, and yeah, both local and also international performance competition natin. It's we're glad to know that it's continuously growing.
Right now, ano yung mga clubs na meron tayo sa federation? Dumami na from 5 years ago?
Yes. So, well, of course, with the pandemic, we are able to, syempre, continue, growing and keep our member clubs sa association. So right now, while most of our clubs are based here in Manila, of course, we also have some clubs starting, growing. For example, in Cebu, in Carcar, so one of our national team members,
Angelica.
the women's team, yes, Angelica Benston. So they were in partnership with the Carcar City, so they're able to, start, growing global team club there. So we hope that we're able to pick up, and ganun din on our side, association, we go out sa different regions to introduce the sport. So now we have a club, we have a base of member clubs which composes the association.
Kilala?
And right now we have I think around 10 12 na clubs playing in the league right now. So, in fact, this coming weekend, Saturday, we'll have our Philippine Floorball League finals. No? So, this will be for the men's and the women's division. Also to be played at the Phil Sports Arena. No? So, the Philippine Floorball League men's division and women's division finals will be played this Saturday.
Pardon, no? Ano yung media sa ating technical concern?
The announcement.
Paki-announce ulit yung ating forthcoming tournament. Ilan ang maglalaro, yung schedule, and saan?
Yes, so we are hosting, no? Pilipinas will be hosting the men's World Floorball Championship, AOFC or Asia Oceania qualification. Gaganapin sa May 21 to 25 at the Phil Sports Arena, Pasig City. So we are hosting 8 national teams, no, from Asia Oceania, including Australia, China, Korea, Japan, New Zealand, Thailand, Singapore, and of course the Philippines. No? So it will be a qualification for the Men's World Floorball Championships na gagawin sa Sweden in December. Okay, there should be qualify at least the top 3 for this competition, be advanced to the final round at the World Championship in Sweden.
Ilan ang kukunin dito sa tournament?
Top 3.
Top
So
three.
top 3 teams will play, no, in the final round, the final 16 teams, no, for the World Championship sa Sweden.
Thank you, Prasha. Babalikan ka namin mamaya. Si Coach naman. Coach, kumusta ang paghahanda ng team natin? And ano yung modest to ultimate goal natin in this tournament, this qualifying?
This qualifier.
Yes.
Our preparations.
Preparations and your goals.
Yeah. Well, the preparation began 1 year ago after SEA Games, and we had a couple of national gatherings. But most of the job and the preparation for the players is in their own clubs. But right now we are here for 10 days of preparation before gathering here in Muntinlupa, and then we are coming here for the final preparations just before the tournament. I think for this team, for this qualifier, we have the strongest team ever. We were really good at SEA Games last year, but now also I think we have really good preparation and the players are well prepared. So it's gonna be, I think we are one of the favorites to go for the qualifier and go for the championship. So the challenge will be, I think, Thailand, really good team, and also Australia. But we're looking forward for the tournament.
So this is the men's team or the women's team? Or both? Men's
Men's
team.
team
Okay.
this year, yes.
Yes. Thank you. Coach.
Thank you.
Good luck.